Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing two blooms and one is going to be done with these warm colors and the other one will be done with these cool colors. I had these colors mixed up and I thought it would be cool to separate them by temperature and yeah, do blooms. So I will be using white cell activator for both blooms, but I'm going to let you know what these colors are first because I'm going to do the blooms back to back and I'll show you both wet results at the end of the video. So starting off here, we have this, this is a custom mix. It's teal and bluish green. This is also a custom mix. It's a pretty like eggplant color. And what I used for this was a fluorescent red along with ultramarine blue. That's that. And this is a iridescent blue by Pro. Now my colors are slightly off because the base that I use for these paints is a satin. It has a satin finish, so it changes the colors just slightly. But this is ultramarine blue. So those are our cool colors. And for our warm colors, this is a custom red. It's almost my new favorite red, actually. It is Copper by Creative Inspirations mixed with Carmine Red by Amsterdam. And this is actually deep magenta. We have cadmium yellow here with some 24 karat gold. And this is an iridescent orange by Pebeo. And it also has some, which orange does it have? Pyro orange as well. So those are the colors, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and get the canvas set up and but first, let me show you how the paintings dried from the last video. I did two with using the exact same colors. One was this one and the other one was actually a swipe. And I used iridescent colors in this, and as you can see, there's a nice little subtle glow there. And there's the other one. I like the symmetry in this one. So if you hadn't seen that video, you can go and take a look at it. The editing was a little bit off on it, but it's still a good watch. I went on and posted it, so check it out. Now let's get back to today's paintings. I called Reflection, and it's by Color to Go from Sherwin-Williams. I am going to put on a little music for you guys. And I will be speeding this up just a tiny bit. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the paint, and I'll check back in a little bit. Okay, guys, so let me tell you what happened real quick. I, while I was blowing, I accidentally flipped the switch off on my blow dryer. And when I turned it back on, it went on high instead of low, which is what I started with. So we have this space right here where the air really dug down into the paint. So I'm going to just flip this and go again. Hey guys, we are wrapping up the cool color combo painting, and I want to say if you are still here, would you please leave me a like and a comment and let me know how you're doing today. How's your day going? Tell me something cool if anything's cool happened to you lately. But yeah, so we're going to be moving on to the warm color palette. And be sure to stick around to the end so that you can see the final results, the final wet results for both of these. I will be showing you the dried results in the next painting, which I hope to have up on Thursday. So you guys take care, and we're going to go ahead and end the video out with music. And yeah, as always, have a very beautiful day.